Man, this sucks, dude.
Yeah, you're right.
We need to do something.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that?
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. This is so cool. Woo!
Awesome. Matt, what are you doing?
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause.